Meanwhile, the COMELEC says it is not yet certain whether the SK polls will be reset. The full story from Sam Ramirez.
Commission on Election spokesperson James Jimenez said that a suspension of the SK elections due to lack of funds is highly possible. COMELEC chairperson Sixto Brillantes Jr. suggested for it to be done in 2016 along with the presidential elections. Attorney Jimenez stressed that the suspension is not yet final. He also added that the barangay elections will push through.
Yung postponement looks very possible at this point. It looks very possible. It's already been endorsed favorably by the Senate. The House, I think, is going to deliberate on it. But again, like I said, it seems like the consensus is i-postpone muna, no? Okay naman tayo, na-imprenta na natin yung mga election returns. We've started, we're ready to print the ballots. And also yung cleansing ng ating list of voters is well in hand. I think more than 50% na sure tayong malinis na yung ating listahan.
As early as September, COMELEC has been receiving election-related violence reports from possible opponents of other candidates. Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police committed their increased presence to assure a safe and peaceful elections. The gun ban will be implemented on September 28. Gun owners are expected to comply. COMELEC spokesperson Jimenez reminded the candidates also to follow the election and campaign rules.
No, I just like to remind them, wag ganon, no? Ang ating campaign period, magsisimula yan October 18 pa. Ang tagal-tagal pa. In fact, hindi pa nga sila nagfa-file ng kanilang kandidatura. Ang filing ng certificates of candidacy is start from October 11 to 17. Tapos ngayon pa lang, magta-tarp na kayo. Ano ba naman? Epal naman yan.
The barangay and SK elections will take place on October 28. Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.